Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Online. First, understand that a Nintendo Switch Online membership unlocks a world of gaming. You'll gain access to a vast library of classic NES and Super NES titles, perfect for nostalgic fun. Plus, your game progress is automatically backed up to the cloud, ensuring you never lose your hard-earned saves. It's a fantastic way to enhance your gaming experience. Next, let's explore your membership options. You can choose between an individual plan, perfect for one person, or a family membership, which covers up to 8 Nintendo accounts. Plans are available for various durations, such as 3 months or 12 months, offering flexibility. You can easily purchase these directly from the Nintendo eShop on your console or through official retailers. Now, let's get you connected. Ensure your Nintendo Switch console has a stable internet connection, either via Wi-Fi or a wired LAN adapter. To play with friends, simply open a compatible game and select the online play option. You can then invite specific friends or join public lobbies, allowing for seamless multiplayer action with up to 4 or even 8 players in some titles. Finally, maximize your online experience. Download the Nintendo Switch Online smartphone app for convenient voice chat during gameplay and access to special offers. Don't miss out on exclusive member-only game trials, letting you play full games for a limited time. For even more benefits, consider the expansion pack, which adds Nintendo 64 and Sega Genesis games, plus downloadable content for popular titles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.